This is the Foam Booster Dog Car Seat. I guess you can use it for any pet. I really love it. I chose the color black, and when you get it, it comes rolled up really small, so don't be deceived. I'm gonna insert a video of what it looks like right when I took it out of the packaging and then a couple hours later. So this is the end product. It's nice and sturdy. Let me show you the inside. It is a booster seat, like I said, so the padding comes up to right about here. And this part will go around the top of your car seat. And this is the leash. So it'll leash onto your dog's collar or their harness. It also comes with this cute little blanket. So when I opened it up, I put it on the ground so that it could expand, and my French bulldog, Vinny, got right in and he took a nap. I took some footage of that. So right away I knew he was gonna love it. It's super comfy. He fits in it nicely. On the side, it has 2 pockets. So we always like to keep our wipes on hand. So this will be really nice to have this in the car. And the cover is also removable. Let me show you how that works. Here is a zipper, so you'll just unzip it, and let's take a peek at the inside. It's made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 foam pieces. So you would just need to take it all out and take the cover off, and you can wash that, and it zips back up really nicely. So we'll just put the foam, push that back in. The bottom has some little doggy footprints that act as a little resistance so he's not slipping around. Here in the back is where you'll put your seatbelt in, so it'll go right through here. You'll buckle it in, and I'm gonna show you some footage of us putting it in the car. Once you have the seatbelt in and clicked, and like I said, this is wrapped around the neck of your actual car seat. Here is the leash to keep your dog attached. And so far, we really love it. It's so comfortable and it's really thick. So I already know Vinny really likes to nap in it, and we've been looking for a safer way to transport him in our car, and I think this is it. So if you're looking for a car seat for your dog, I recommend this one. If this video was helpful, hit that thumbs up.